Hi class, this is Pradeep sir. I hope you are enjoying the classes. So we are through with the ratio and proportion. Now a very important topic is unitary method. This method will help you in a lot of situations, a lot of calculations, lot of problems which we come across in our daily life as well as in mathematics, in science, in the numericals or in the equations even, right? So pay attention to each and every word of the explanation. Let's move on to the board. Thank you so much. So what is unitary method actually? It is a simple method to solve the word problems in the statement form actually. So when you see these examples, you will understand what I am saying. The most important thing we have to remember here is to get more we multiply the thing and to get less we divide the thing. Okay, so let's move on to the examples and try to understand what the method is. See the first question. If 15 oranges cost rupees 70, what is the cost of 39 oranges? So the usual style of writing the statements is as shown. Cost of 15 oranges is equal to 70. So cost of one orange will be 70 divided by 50, right? And then we can multiply by 39 because now we have got the price of one orange, 70 by 15. So cost of 39 oranges will be 70 by 15 into 39, which on calculation will give us rupees 182, right? Let us see the second one. A truck runs 492 kilometers in 36 liters of diesel. How many kilometers can it run in 33 liters of diesel? So again we will follow the same system. I will write distance covered by 36 liters of diesel is equal to 492 kilometers. So distance covered by the truck in 1 liter of diesel will be 492 by 36, which can be further simplified and written as 82 by 6 or 41 by 3. Therefore, the distance covered in 33 liters of diesel will be 41 by 3 into 33, which will give us 481 kilometers. I hope you got the concept. Now pay attention to the third question. It is a different one. The question is 12 men can paint a house in 25 days. In how many days will 20 men do the same work? Right? So we will proceed as follows. 12 men can paint the house in 25 days. So one man will take longer time. So he will paint the same house in 25 into 12 days. Therefore, 20 men will paint the house in 25 into 12 divided by 20. That is 15 days. Right? Now let us see the next example, number 4, a very interesting one and a very different type. So please pay attention and listen carefully. The question is 25 bags of wheat, each weighing 50 kg, cost rupees 10,000. Find the cost of 35 bags, each containing or each weighing 40 kg of wheat. Right? So it is very different type. Now see how we write the statements over here. Total weight of 25 bags of 50 kg each is equal to 25 into 50. That is 1250 kg. Total weight of 35 bags of 40 kg is equal to 35 into 40 that is 1400 kg. Now we are given that cost of 1250 kg of wheat is equal to rupees 10,000. So we can write cost of 1 kg of wheat will be rupees 10,000 divided by 1250, right? That is rupees 8. Thus we can write cost of 40 kg of wheat is equal to rupees 8 into 1400 is equal to rupees 11200, 11,200. I hope it is clear. You can go through the sum again and get a better understanding of it. Now see the fifth question, another different type of question we often come across. The question is, in an army camp there was food for 425 men for 30 days, but only 375 men attended the camp. So how long did the food last, right? So in such questions we proceed like this, that 425 men have food for 30 days. So one man will have food for 30 into 425 days, and 375 men will have food for 30 into 425 divided by 375, which on simplification will give us 34. Therefore, we can say that the food will last for 34 days. See these examples again and again, then only you will get an idea what is unitary method, right? You can go to the description box of this video or the end screen templates at the end of the video to get all the videos of 6th standard mathematics and understand all the topics over there. So thank you class, goodbye, love you all, keep learning, keep enjoying life, bye bye.